Your dog wants to be with you all the time. He's your best friend. A good and strong leash will help you accomplish your daily activities without any issues by having your dog close to you. You can walk freely, run, and even check your phone while your dog is enjoying the day outside. This is the SparklyPets leash, and it comes in a nice storage bag. Inside, you'll find a waistband and a hands-free shock-absorbing bungee cord. For your preference, you can choose to receive the product in blue or green color. The waistband can be easily adjusted from 28 to 48 inches for your best comfort, allowing you to attach the bungee cord using the single clasp on one side or the double clasp system on the other side. A better solution for bigger and stronger dogs. This way, the two clamps are absorbing the force while keeping the plastic clamp safe. The single clasp can be used to hang your keys, small bags, or objects that you don't want to lose. And of course, as your safety comes first, our dog leash is provided with reflective stitching that will not let you down in the dark, making you highly visible in front of cars or cyclists. If you have a large dog, you need a leash that absorbs shocks and allows you to control it without breaking stride. The flexible bungee cord is perfect for the moments when your dog starts to pull suddenly by absorbing the shocks. Whether you prefer a hands-free leash or a traditional one, we've got you covered. Provided with a convenient rubber handle, our professional leash can be switched from hands-free to hands-on in a matter of seconds. Being able to fully control your dog may be crucial, especially when he sees cats or other dogs. The easy grip control handle on the bungee will allow you a firm yet smooth hold on your dog whenever you need to keep it close to you. Enjoy the SparklyPets leash.